McCain.
It was all but a formality, and yet the Senate needed to have that vote this morning, Sahil.
That's right, Vonnie. Everyone knew this was going to happen yesterday after Senate Republicans voted to change the rules, make a historic rule change, and nuke the filibuster, the 60-vote threshold for Supreme Court nominations. For the first time in American history, since the Senate, as we know it, has been around, they advanced the nomination to a final vote with a simple majority of 51 votes. With Republicans unanimously voting for Neil Gorsuch today are expected to be 3 Democrats, Joe Manchin, Joe Donnelly, and Heidi Heitkamp, all red state Democrats up in re-election in 2018 in states that President Trump won pretty handily. This is a historic day, and it's a big win for President Trump, who's had a troubled start to his presidency, not gotten any major legislation done.
Yes, Mitch McConnell saying today is a new day. Chuck Schumer, the Democratic leader, saying that let's not go any further down this road of partisanship in the Senate. He's basically making a plea for the filibuster to remain for legislation, for example. I mean, effectively, is that going to happen? Is the filibuster in danger now for legislation, Sahil?
It is in danger in the sense that the Senate has moved further along the road to eliminating the filibuster entirely. It was removed for certain things and certain nominations in 2013. It's now removed for the Supreme Court. And the next step, if it happens, is to remove it for legislation. Now, it should be said that Senator McConnell has emphatically stated that he is not in favor of removing the filibuster for legislation. He said that's true for most of his Republican Congress. And he said, the Democrats are also saying that they don't want to remove the legislative filibuster. But the real question is going to be, once the legislative filibuster becomes the only thing standing in the way of a party in full control getting something big passed through Congress, what's going to happen? The pressure is going to ratchet up very quickly. So yes, I would keep an eye on that. I would by no means take it for granted that the legislative filibuster is going to survive.